Hello, I'm Brian. I'm the AV Support Engineer in the Office of Media and Technology Support Services here at the College of New Jersey. Today I'm going to be giving you a basic overview of our classroom technology. First, you can begin by signing in to the PC using your TCNJ credentials. Then you can start up the system by pressing anywhere on the screen. This will turn the projector on, lower the screen, and turn on the webcam. By default, the computer input is selected. Most of our classrooms are now equipped with a dual monitor setup. This is useful if you are setting up a PowerPoint presentation that includes notes, or you want to be able to see what the next upcoming slide is. When you go into slideshow mode in PowerPoint, you can see that your current slide is here, and your upcoming slide, along with your notes, are visible here. And then whatever is visible to the class on the projector is available here on the right monitor. If you would like to move a window from the left monitor to the right monitor, click on the title bar at the top and drag it over. Now that is visible on the projector. If you would like to share something via Zoom, move it to the right monitor first before starting your screen share. In order to control the camera, you can select webcam controls, and this will allow you to select any one of the three presets, such as Teacher Station, the chalkboard or whiteboard. Look for the yellow markers at the top as your guide, or also a wide view that will display a large portion of the entire classroom. You can also control the position of the camera using the directional pad and the zoom and brightness controls. Most of our classrooms and conference rooms are equipped with Apple TVs. This allows for wireless sharing of Apple devices, such as iPhones, iPads, or Apple laptops. To share your screen wirelessly using an Apple device, first, select Apple TV on the Crestron touch panel. On the projection screen, you will see the AirPlay connection information. First, ensure that you are connected to the EduRoam network. Then, on your Apple device, swipe down from the upper right-hand corner. Or on older devices, swipe up from the bottom. Select the screen mirroring option, and then select the room you are currently in. On the projection screen, you will see an AirPlay code. Enter that code when prompted on your device. Now, anything you are currently displaying on your Apple device will also be shown on the projection screen. Please note, you will not be able to share the Apple TV content via Zoom. In order to stop the screen share, swipe down again from the upper right-hand corner, or swipe up from the bottom for older Apple devices. In the screen mirroring area, you will see the room you are currently connected to. Select that room, and then select Stop Mirroring. When you are done using the system, you can press the power off button, and it will ask you to confirm that you are sure you would like to power off the system. Press yes. This will turn off the projector, raise the projection screen, and turn off the in-room camera. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the TCNJ Help Desk.